Hello and welcome to the Advantage app home screen. In the Advantage app, there are three ways you can make coins. Today, I'll be guiding you through the most simple and easiest way. You are basically earning coins just for paying attention. If you go to the home screen, which you can find by just pressing the button in the bottom left corner of your screen, you'll be greeted with this. You have videos, petitions, surveys, there's lots of things you can sign up for. All they require is your attention and you can earn coins, or also for you to sign up. So you can see there's yellow boxes under every video which shows how much I will earn from watching it or signing up or etc. So you see, for example, by this Puma one I will get 0.35, by the Tally Whale I'll get 0.40 and so on. So let's see what it looks like if we were to press one. Let's choose the Lacoste holidays. So let's press it. We'll be greeted with a screen like this. We can look at more advantage like by Lacoste so we can get more coins, or we can watch our video. To get our coin we have to watch the video from start till the end. So let's do that and we'll see what happens. So now that I've watched the ad, this coin is now gold, and by pressing it, I will see a tick showing that I have earned my reward, like this. Fairly straightforward. I can also follow Lacoste if I really want to watch more videos from them, and so on. So now that I'm done with this, I will gain no more money or rewards by watching this, so I can just go back and look at other videos in the home screen.